I am a student. I am happy. I am going to the store. I am tired. I am excited about the upcoming event. I am from New York. I am interested in learning new things. I am a fan of science fiction. I am cooking dinner tonight. I am a musician who plays the guitar. I am looking for a new job opportunity. I am allergic to peanuts. I am enjoying the beautiful sunset. I am working on a novel. I am the captain of the soccer team. I am attending a conference next week. I am a vegetarian. I am fascinated by ancient history. I am practicing mindfulness meditation. I am a proud parent of 2 children. I am currently reading a mystery novel. I am a volunteer at the local animal shelter. I am learning to speak Spanish. I am passionate about environmental conservation. I am a software engineer. I am grateful for my supportive friends. I am planning a trip to Europe. I am a fitness enthusiast who loves to run. I am a coffee lover and enjoy trying different blends. I am attending a photography workshop this weekend. I am part of a community choir. I am a teacher. Thank you for watching.